Hello everyone, I'm just going to give you a quick run through of the steamcore Spa 2 steam bath generator manufactured by Sonocore. Just so you could see, the full exterior body is all surgical stainless steel. This is the 10.5 kilowatt. The 10.5 and the 12 kilowatt is in this physical size with two 3/4 inch steam outlets. There's your pressure valve. There's your brass water intake solenoid, your drain solenoid, and on the 10.5 12 kilowatt it has also a manual drain. So if it ever gets plugged up with lime, calcium, heavy use, hard water, that gives you an option of manually draining the water. Has your pressure relief valve. Again, brass solenoids, two 3/4 steam outlets. This machine in this size comes with two steam heads. You must run two steam lines to your steam shower. Your CSA approval model and all that on the top. Venting, the electronics is at the top. There's the fuses that protect your circuit board. That's where your main power goes in the hole. That's your keypad control cable and your optional mood light. I'm going to show you this here beside it. It is the 6 kilowatt. The 6, 7.5, and 9 kilowatt is like this with one steam outlet, 3/4 inch, your pressure valve, and again your brass intake solenoids. Now, the beauty of these machines is a number of items and features that I'm going to go through. I took the lids off on the 6 kilowatt to show you. Now the two lids come off very easy. I have them on the side right there, 4 screws each. They come off. This machine, the beauty of it is it's very easy to service. If it ever needs a part to be replaced, it's extremely easy. For the electronics, you take the top lid off. You can remove any of the parts. The sides, you could take the lid off. You could take this lid off. Take those screws and you can remove the solenoids. Very easy to service. If you take the bottom lid off there, you could take all the elements out of the boiler tank. Very easy to take this machine apart for service. Very easy to replace any parts if you need to. Now some of the features. Low voltage solenoids. Solid brass. The boiler tank. Split tank technology. There's two separate tanks. This is the boiler tank. This is the tank where the water goes in, and it has the water level sensing rods. When the cold water goes in here, it slowly filters through into the boiling water. Does not affect the boiling water. A lot of machines, as soon as you add water, the cold water is added into the boiling water, and you get a lot of long pauses in between steaming. So you get steam, large pause, steam, large pause. This is very minimal, maybe 1 or 2 seconds. Stainless steel heating elements, stainless steel boiler tank, stainless steel reservoir, stainless steel outside body, fully stainless steel generator. Safety, there's high limits. Those are automatic high limit reset buttons. If the machine for whatever reason overheats, those will trip and cut the power. They'll reset themselves. If those fail, there's backup. Backup are these. They cut the power to the heating elements. You have to manually reset these. You just have to make sure you switch the main power off. You go in here and just press the button, you reset. It gives power to the elements again. Very safe machine. If the machine, for whatever reason, runs with no water, those will trip it. It will heat, the elements will go on, it will heat the tank, and it will shut the power. Very safe, all about precautions. This is a very high quality. Water level sensing rods, very state of the art. It's electronics with different levels of rods that sense the water level. Very efficient machine. Takes water when it needs to, refills when it needs to. It's very accurate. So it keeps track of the different stages of the water in the boiler tank. CSA approved. Lifetime warranty. Now I'm going to give you a bit of the run through on the control. So this is the 6, 7.5, and 9 kilowatt 3/4 inch steam line. If you connect this to your steam shower, you have to continue with 3/4 inch. Do not reduce the steam line to 1/2 inch. Same goes for the 10.5 and the 12 kilowatt. There's two 3/4 inch. If you run these two steam lines to your room, they have to be both 3/4 inch. Do not reduce to 1/2 inch. You can hang these machines up on the wall. The back of the machine have the holes cut out for mounting. Very easy to service, very easy to install. This is your power cable. This goes to your keypad. Just be careful you don't damage any of the pins. This is for your color or clear lighting. This cable here is actually a shielded cable, so you don't get any interference from other electrical cables in the wall. The boiler tank is insulated. The machine drains after 10 minutes. It's been off. It drains all the excess water, the remaining water in the boiler tank. This helps eliminate lime and calcium buildup. Gives you fresh water every time you use it. Now, here are the controls and the steam heads. We have two options. We have the square controls and steam heads, and we have the round control. That's the SS2. That's a SQ2 model. The beauty of these controls is the temperature sensor that reads the temperature in the room is built right into the sensor, into the control on both of them. So the sensor is built right in. There's no extra wiring. So in that fact, these controls have to be used within the steam shower. They have to be mounted and placed in the steam shower. Now keep in mind, when you mount these controls into the shower, do not place them right over the steam head. These are steam heads, because the steam goes straight up and it doesn't give it an accurate reading. It'll read that the room is much hotter than what it really is. So there's various finishes: chrome, polished chrome, brushed nickel, polished nickel. So we have three main finishes. They thread on. They're 3/4 inch thread, solid brass material, professionally chrome plated or finished. This is your steam room control keypad cable. That cable goes from your control to your steam generator. It's 20 feet long. This control is more for commercial use. We use it more in the commercial. Sorry, it's upside down. That's what it looks like. And the reason is it has a remote sensor. The sensor is not built right on the keypad. It's actually remote. It's here. So this keypad can go inside or outside the steam room. And this is the remote sensor that goes into the room to read the temperature. And here's your plug for the cable, control cable. Those are the controls. Very easy to take apart. SteamCore Spot 2. Ventilated body. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Works very efficiently. Very advanced electronics. Has electronic water level sensing, auto drain, all compact built in. Very, very easy to service. All stainless steel from the elements to the boiling tank to the outside body. Has fuses to protect the circuit board if there's ever power surge. Pressure relief valve, brass solenoid and drain, insulated, split tank technology, so cold water does not affect the boiling water. So you got constant boiling steam, state-of-the-art circuitry. Very, very nice. High quality, lifetime warranty. As you can see, if you have questions, you can call us 1-800-361-9485, or you can visit our website www.sonocore.com. And that is your SteamCore Spot 2 residential series.